Hi guys, today we're going to make boba tea. So the ingredients that we need are tapioca pearls, preferably the biggest ones, black tea bags, and palm sugar, and we also need soya milk, or you can just use any kinds of milk that you prefer. So our first step is to boil some water, and once it boils, we will put our tea bags in it. Then turn off the heat and let your tea bags soak in the water for about 20 minutes or until it cools down. Our next step is to cook the tapioca pearls according to the packaging instructions. Once the tapioca pearls has been cooked, make sure to put them directly into cold water. This step will help the tapioca pearls to be chewier. This step is optional. I'm going to make sugar syrup, but you can totally skip this step and just add sugar into your tea. To make this sugar syrup, we need to put 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you want to make it sweeter, just add more sugar and water. So the ratio is 2 cups of water and 1 cup of sugar. Mix the syrup gradually and wait until it thickens. Once it thickened, turn off the heat and let it cool. Once your sugar syrup has cooled down, drain your tapioca pearls and mix the sugar syrup and tapioca pearls together. Now that we're done cooking everything, we can add them all to make a boba tea. So first, put your sweetened tapioca pearls, then add your black tea, and then add your milk. So the ratio I used is 1/4 black tea and 3/4 milk. You can also add ice cubes in it to make it more cooler, and you can also add more sugar if you want to.